children, let us start part 4, chapter 11, areas and its boundary, NCERT class 5. In this video, we will discuss my belt is longest at page number 149 to 151, NCERT class 5. So take a thick paper sheet of length 14 centimeter and width 9 centimeter. You can also use an old postcard. So length is 14 centimeter, width is 9 centimeter, means this must be a rectangle. Okay, 14 centimeter is width, 9 centimeter is this side. So this is length 14 centimeter, this is width 9 centimeter. So the question is, what is its area? As you can see, it is a rectangle in shape. So area will be length into width. Length is 14 centimeter and width is 9 centimeter. So area is 126 square centimeter. Next question is perimeter. Perimeter. What is perimeter? Twice into length plus 2 into width, because perimeter means sum of all length. So length come 2 times, width come 2 times. So length is 2 times, width is 2 times. 2 into 14 plus 2 into 9. 14 2s are 28 plus 2 9s are 18. So 28 plus 18, 46 centimeter. Okay. Now cut the strip of equal size out of it. So we are supposed to cut here. Everyone can cut with different size. So we will cut like this. Maybe in 1 centimeter. So there will be 9 strips of like this, 1 centimeter width, 14 centimeter length. There will be 9 such strips. Okay. Now what we have to do? Using tape, join the strips end to end. So I will join that 9 strips like this and so on. So how long your belt will be? Long, 14 centimeter, 14 centimeter, 14 centimeter. So we will add this length. How many times? Yes, 9 times, because we have 9 separate strips. So 14 into 9, 126 centimeter. So 126 centimeter. What is its perimeter? Perimeter, this is again a rectangle, big rectangle with length 126 centimeter and width is 1 centimeter. So what will be the perimeter? Twice into length plus twice into width. So 126 to the 252 plus 2, that is 254 centimeter. Whose belt is longest in the class? So if other student will cut it with half, some may cut with 2 centimeter, some may cut with 1.5 centimeter. So whose belt will be longest? Who has this width is lesser. Okay. Who have lesser width belt will have longest in the class. Okay. Why did your some friend get longer belts than other? Because some has cut the belt in small strips, 1 centimeter. Some may have cut it into 1.5 centimeter. Some may cut have into 0.5 centimeter. So lesser the width, more number of strips will be there, and then more longer will be the belt. Is the area of your belt that same as the area of postcard? Calculate area of this belt, because we have given length, we have given perimeter, we have width is 1 centimeter, so length is, we have length 126 centimeter, we have width 1 centimeter. Okay, so area will be 126 into 1 equal to 126 centimeter square. So area will remain same. Area will not change. What will change? Is the area of your belt the same as the area of postcard? Yes, it is same because area remains same. Perimeter changes like this. What will you do to get longer belt next time? To get longer belt next time, we will cut in smaller width. Okay. People everywhere. You can play this game in ground. So this is very simple game. You can do this activity at your home. Make two squares of 1 square meter each. We have to make two squares. And what is the side? 1 meter. 1 meter. So area of the square is 1 meter square. Divide your class into two teams. Okay, we will just, student will stand along this line and second team will stand along this line. Okay, try this in your team. Now what you have to do, how many of you can sit in 1 square meter? So you just count how many of the student you can sit here. It may be different for different group. How many you can stand? It may be again different for different, but sitting will be lesser in number and standing will be more in number than compared to this. Which team could make more children stand in square? Okay, now count which of the team has more number of children in sitting case, and how many. Which team could make more children sit in their square? So now this question was for standing, this question was for sitting. So you can play this activity. What you can do next, you can interchange the students, again sit on the square and again count the students. Okay, so it may be a fun activity for you. Measure the length of floor of your classroom in meters. Okay, as you are not in school nowadays, so you cannot measure this. You can measure floor of your room at home. Okay, you just measure and write answer in the comment box. Okay, what is the area of your floor? Once you will measure the length, you can find the area. How many children are in your class? Generally 40, we have 40 students. How many children can sit in 1 square meter? That we have seen in the last question. If you want to move around easily, then how many children do you think should be there in 1 square meter? Now see when how many students are there in 1 square centimeter, 1 square meter, and how many can sit easily, so that movement can be okay in the class. So just measure length and width of your room at home and find the area and write the area in comment box. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe the channel. If you have not subscribed till now, thank you.